Alright, I have an issue with the automatic needle threader on this machine. This is a Europro X, but there are a lot of Singers with the same setup. It is too low, and when you push down, the threader is swinging out too low. The adjustment is this screw. So this is the needle bar clamp that does the whole height of the needle bar. This screw is on a piece that activates the needle threader when you push it down. So to get the needle threader to activate higher, we're going to have to loosen that screw and raise it up. Alright. You can see that stopper has been adjusted, and now the threader hits the eye of the needle and properly threads the machine.